In this video, I'll show you how to generate a website with Squarespace AI. Once you are on squarespace.com and have successfully created your account, what I want you to do is head over to the top bar, and on the right hand side, you want to click on the white button to get started. Now, that will take you to this page where it will ask you what your site is about. And what I want you to do is head over to the top and right corner and click on I'm just browsing. Once you click on I'm just browsing, it will take you to the templates section. Now, at the very top, you have here templates that are made for you, which were powered by Blueprint AI. Now, Blueprint is the exact AI in which Squarespace uses. Now, you can choose from one of these templates and they are automatically generated by AI. And if you want to add your own, just simply head over to the bottom of templates made for you. And on the right hand side, you will find a button to try Blueprint AI Builder. Now click on Try Blueprint AI Builder. Now that will automatically take you to Blueprint AI, and on the first section will be the topic. Now what you want to do is simply add what your site is about. Now this will be the topic that will help you personalize your website building experience. Now on the search bar, if you scroll down, in here you have the popular topics. You can choose from one of the topics here that are related to the website in which you are building. And on the search bar, let's say you want to search for e-commerce. Since you are creating an e commerce services website, it will also show you all of these suggested topics. You can also search for music. It will also show you the suggested topics. And let's say you just want to create a portfolio. It will also show you the exact topics that are related to portfolio. Now, what you want to do is simply head over and search your topic. And at the bottom, you want to select a topic. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and right corner and click on next so we can head over to the next section. Now that will take you to the goals section. And from here, you want to choose the options that fit what your site is going to be used for. You can check build a community, you can collect the donations, get appointments, offer a contact form, and if you want to unselect an option, then just simply click on it again. And once you have selected all of your options, what you want to do is head over to the bottom and right corner and click on next again. Now that will take you to the site info. Now on the site info, you want to head over to the right hand side and in here we have site title. At the bottom, you want to add your site title. And once you do that, it will automatically reflect within the preview. On the right hand side, this will be a maximum of 100 words, but on your site title, you just want to keep it short. At the bottom, this will be your brand personality. You can choose from professional, playful, sophisticated, friendly, bold, quirky, and innovative. And on the brand personality, it will show you a unique set of colors, fonts, and tone for creating AI generated content. Now, let's say we want to do a friendly brand personality. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and right corner and click on next again. Now it will load the AI generated content and it will automatically take you to the homepage section. Now, on the homepage section, this is where you can start building your homepage. On the right hand side, these are the sections wherein you can add within your homepage. You can add a product section, a services section, an appointment section, as well as a digital product section. Now, on the left hand side, you will have the preview. So, if you click on one section, at the bottom and the right hand side, you will see the option to change the layout. Now, if you click on change layout, in here, it will show you all of the layouts that are available for this section. So let's say you want to change the layout from this to this, then it will automatically reflect within the preview. And once you're done adding your home page, head over to the bottom and right corner and click on next. Now, this will be your pages section. Now, if we have a home page, we also have different pages that we can add within our website. Now, on the right hand side, these are the recommended pages that we can add to our website other than the home page. If you want to unselect a page, then just simply click on the page and it will automatically be unselected. And on the left hand side, as you can see, it will also disappear. And once you're done again, head over to the bottom and right corner and click on next. Now, on the color section, we need to choose a color palette. Now, on the site info, we have chosen a brand personality. You can choose either a professional, a friendly, a playful, a sophisticated, a bold, quirky, as well as an innovative color palette. Now, on the right hand side, if you have chosen your brand personality, it will automatically have the recommended option for that color palette. Now, let's say you choose a color palette, then it will automatically reflect within the site preview. And once you have chosen your color palette, just simply head over to the bottom and right corner and click on Next. Now that will take you to the last section where you need to choose a font pairing. Now, on the font pairing, again, if you have chosen your brand personality, it will have the recommended option beside the brand personality. You can still choose from one of the font pairings, even if it is not from your chosen brand personality. Let's say you want to choose the innovative font. Then it will automatically reflect within the website preview. And once you are satisfied with the changes, head over to the bottom and right corner and click on Finish. And once you do that, Blueprint AI will automatically generate your website based on the options that you have selected earlier. And once it's done, it will automatically take you to the homepage of the website. Now, in here, this is where you can start editing the website into how you want it to be. To start editing, head over to the navigation panel on the left hand side, and from here, you just want to simply click on the website. Now, on the website section, head over to the top and left corner and click on Edit. And once you do that, you'll be able to customize your website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.